go straight to the custom watermark button, come down to this very option. The scaling is okay, and I want it all to be washed out. I don't want it to be washed out. Apply it and click close. This is it. If this is what you want, cool. That is not what you want, go back and make it transparent. But if you leave it this way, sometimes people will find it difficult to read this text that are found in between the darkest part of this image. So you may not be able to achieve the aim. People may be finding it difficult, especially when it is printed out. So to avoid that, always leave a watermark to remain a watermark. Watermarks are supposed to be very light and faintish, so always whitewash it by clicking on this button and apply. You see, this is what we have. It is very light. It doesn't affect the write-up you have inside. So sometimes you may not like it to be very big like this. You come to the scaling and reduce it. Just reduce the scaling and apply it, and see, you may really find it difficult to see it anymore, but it is still here. It's here, but the scaling is now almost invisible. So let's go back and get it back, please. Go to your custom watermark, choose something bigger like 200, apply. Did you notice something appeared at the middle here that is very tiny? You can make it 500, apply. Take a look at this. You see, it has appeared again, but it's very tiny, and that is not even what we want. So always leave it as automatic. Let it choose its own size according to the paper that you're working on, and this is good. For you to see it more clearer, you can delete this text. Delete the text by selecting all and press delete button, and this is what we have. We simply have a blank page with embedded picture that is whitewashed at the background. When you type on this picture, it will not affect it. It does not affect it. So that is how you add your watermark. Then the next we want to consider now is on how to add your page numbers. How do we do that? I want us to start up a new document to learn this, so that those who are not following can easily comprehend. To start a new document, go straight to your file, click on new, and click on new blank page. Instantly a new blank page will be created for you. The one we're working on here below is already here. It's kept by the side, and a new one is open. So let's assume I have so many things already typed here. I want to create a page number on this document, and I want it to keep increasing with the number of pages I will create. So this is what I want. I will select everything, go straight to your font size and make it bigger, then select everything, right click, copy, and you can paste it as many times as possible. Let me just paste it more. I have just one page, 2 pages now. You see, there are 2 pages. I'm using the scroll button by this navigation bar to scroll down. So we have 2 pages. How do I know? Take a look at what we have here. At the left hand side of our taskbar, we see that we have page 1 of 2, and here we have page 2. But to make it much more easier, reduce your zoom. Come down to the right side of the screen and reduce your zoom by pressing this minus, and you see that we have 2 pages. Is it not? So go back to the center, and then how to insert your page number. Go straight to the insert button and click on page numbers. It has so many options. You want to insert the page number at the top side of the page by the left, or at the bottom. Choose bottom, by the left, center, right, or left. Customize. or you want to insert it at the margin. Page numbers will be at the margin depending on what you want. Usually most page numbers are always found at the center of the page like this, and this is it. We are now having a page number on our document. So double click outside to come out from there, and then we have page 1 and page 2. You can still go back to insert page number and then take a look at the other features, other styles of page numbers they have here. We have this one by the left hand side of the bar that appears like this. It's a 2 page, 1 page. What happens if I exhaust these 2 pages? Will it automatically create the next page for me with a default page number that increases with this very serial numbering? Yes, is the answer. So let's try it. This is how it goes. I really don't want to type much, so let's copy what we typed and paste it as many times as possible. We are now on the 3rd page, and right here in the 3rd page you can see that we have page 3 already given a page number. So that is how you add page numbers on your document.